In 2017, the Project Management Institute, PMI, and the McKinsey Global Institute published a shocking study regarding the project's performance and statistics. And you may not want to hear the results. Would it disturb you to hear that most organizations have a 70% project failure rate, and that only 2.5% of companies complete 100% of their projects successfully? Would it unsettle you further to learn that in 2017, companies lost $97 million for every $1 billion invested in projects, and that only 26% of all projects succeeded? There are many key quality management problems faced by the oil and gas industry that hinder project performance, efficiency, and effectiveness. In April 20th, 2010, 11 workers died, and 17 were seriously injured by an explosion on the Deepwater horizon. The rig burned for 2 days, eventually sinking and triggering the largest oil spill in U.S. history, as oil and gas spewed up from the seafloor, and a financial loss of around greater than $65 billion. It is acknowledged and accepted that the consequences of equipment failure may be disastrous. Of course, the concept of quality assurance is widely accepted and embraced throughout the industry. Experience shows that the root causes behind many instances of non-compliance can be traced to incomplete or inaccurate QC implementation, or failure to consider past lessons learned. Typically, many such issues stem from an inherent lack of standardization in terms of QA/QC expectations between project stakeholders. How many times have we encountered repeated issues from the same contractors or vendors? How often do we delay final inspections due to incomplete inspection records? All too often, the true cost of poor quality remains unquantified. Until now, the market has been unable to offer a single consolidated software solution, specifically developed to promote consistent quality management through effective planning and communication, QC traceability tracking and recording, and efficient reporting between project stakeholders. Gawda has addressed these problems through the provision of an innovative quality management solution that enabled the organization to consistently implement the Quality Management System, or QMS elements, across the engineering, procurement, and construction projects phases. The fundamental objective is to support project optimization through effective and efficient project quality management, eliminating non-conformances, and reducing the costs associated with poor quality to ensure the integrity and reliability of operators' facilities, and thereby minimizing the risks to health, safety, and the environment. Gawda software was founded in Qatar, is Qatari-owned, and has been established to support the continued development and expansion of the Qatar LNG industry. We are proud of our Qatari heritage and strive to contribute toward the continued success of Qatar as a global leader in oil and gas production and processing. The Gawda system is the first of its kind and is considered a breakthrough within the industry. The Gawda platform can be used by any engineering and construction organization, regardless of size and scope of work. The Gawda Project Quality Management Database is the result of actual hands-on experience within the dynamic and fast-paced operations projects environment.
This is our story. From one small theory came big accomplishments. It all began in 2015. As time went on, our vision grew. Until one day, we surpassed our original goal: quality, performance, satisfaction. Introducing Gawda Quality Management Cloud Solution. QA/QC database is specifically designed to provide a single source of information for quality-related project matters. Each user is assigned a unique username and password and is granted limited accessibility according to the role and level of authority. The database dashboard is efficiently organized to provide seamless functionality of the QA verification programs, prompting the user to conduct audits, assessments, and inspections according to established schedules. The database is fully integrated and supported by Microsoft Outlook to facilitate direct, real-time email communication between users. The database houses all the project QA surveillance programs to support project execution through engineering, procurement, and construction phases. The engineering assessment schedule will be established by the project quality engineer. The scheduling function allows the quality engineer to plan the assessments for individual projects and/or individual contractors. Assessments are assigned to specific assessors, and the schedule identifies which type of assessment is applicable, initial or periodic. Once the assessment dates are confirmed, the notification is sent automatically to the respective contractor. Detailed assessment checklists are available in the database. The assessor will add any observations to the checklist. Once the assessment is complete, the report will be finalized and communicated to the respective contractor. Contractor will respond to the assessment observation, identifying any corrective actions as applicable. Once agreed, target dates are assigned and closeout is tracked through the database. The procurement surveillance program is established to provide verification that project equipment and materials are compliant with project specifications and contract requirements. Procurement quality plans are developed to define the extent of QA/QC verification during procurement of project materials and equipment, based on the equipment criticality rating. The source inspection program ensures that an appropriate level of quality control verification is applied to materials and equipment during manufacture, according to the assigned criticality rating. Criticality ratings for generic equipment are predefined in the existing asset specifications. For new equipment, criticality ratings shall be assigned using the Criticality Rating Determination Form. The database provides comprehensive tools to support every element of construction quality management. The development of ITPs shall be initiated by the performing parties. Requests for inspection won't be raised unless the ITP is approved. The status of individual ITPs can be easily tracked and monitored. Contractors will prepare project ITPs based on standard ITP templates available in the database. Contractors' ITPs are uploaded into the database. RFIs will be raised by the contractor, communicated to Qatar Gas, and either accepted or rejected through the database. Status of each inspection shall be shared with respective contractors through the database, and the software shall facilitate the traceability of agreed actions. The database also supports the Quality Walkabout program. Daily inspection reports are automatically generated based on RFI and construction surveillance input from the project inspectors. Reports may be viewed either in dashboard illustration form or in written format. The reports may be communicated through email via the database or downloaded independently as PDF documents. The project audit program is also exclusively managed through the database. Audit notifications can be prepared and issued. Audit teams assigned. The database logs the corrective action requests and observations, and provides option to permanently record any significant findings as lessons learned. The database supports several quality evaluation platforms, including performance evaluation of external contractors and vendors, and performance evaluation of QA/QC personnel. Standardized contractor performance evaluation checklists are available. Once completed, these will be communicated by the quality engineer to the contractor's organization. QG Quality KPIs. The database generates clear, user-friendly KPI charts and graphs, offering concise and accurate assessment of project quality performance data. This allows easy identification of any specific areas of interest or concern. For example, RFI acceptance rates, number of rejected RFIs, or the time taken to close NCRs. Nonconformities. The database also provides a comprehensive nonconformance management solution. Nonconformance reports, corrective and preventive action requests can be initiated through the database and communicated to the recipient. Accordingly, the initiator can review, approve, and close the NCR reports. Reporting of quality alerts can also be managed. Photographs or external files can be uploaded to the reports. Quality alert notifications can be communicated to relevant business units and organizations. Quality reports. Project quality reports, registers, and summaries may be generated swiftly and effectively. Simply select the type of report and the specified data range. Numerous registers covering every aspect of the implemented programs can be generated for any given data period. Periodic reports can be accessed for any given date period. The report format details project performance for any number of projects and contractors. indicating RFI status, source inspection activities, NCR statistics and details, audit summaries, and QA/QC highlights. For quality engineers, the database dashboard is configured to represent detailed and interactive KPIs for effective quality system management. The format provides effective real-time visibility of project QA/QC metrics, reports, and statistics. The database has been developed using the latest intelligent software, with intrinsic machine learning capacity to read and interpret data input, facilitating trend identification. Consolidation and enhancement of project's QA/QC data into an intelligent web-based server application leads to enhanced project efficiency through reduced effort duplication and real-time reporting and communication, improved quality lessons learned sharing opportunities, and a reduction in repeated non-conformances. The system is the result of actual hands-on experience within the dynamic and fast-paced operations projects environment to provide a powerful planning features for all quality programs. Gawda software, quality perfection, the only solution.